applications. What's your viewpoint on the likelihood of implanted BCI being something that the Joe or Jane on the street will get in the near term? And do you see that as a critical thing that needs to happen in order to get tech excited?
I think it's inevitable that it'll happen on the long term. Mm-hmm. I don't think it's critical that it happen on the short term to make the business models work. My approach to this whole thing is about capabilities.
Yeah.
Like we're a tech company, so we're first and foremost, we're a capabilities company.
Yeah.
Now, all of the capabilities that we're building right now for medical therapies are the basis for the kinds of things that Elon and Sam Altman and other tech entrepreneurs who are investing in BCI care about. So, for instance, like the ultimate human technology integration piece is to be able to, spin up an AI agent or prompt AI directly from your brain, to be able to exchange information directly with a powerful AI through your brain. Like what could that look like? Well, one of the things would be pulling out language and intention directly from your brain and sending it to a language model.
Sure.
Well, that's exactly what we're going to do early next year with our speech prosthesis.
Yeah.
People in our first clinical trial will be able to prompt an AI model directly from their brain. That's fundamentally very interesting.
I can do that now with my brain.
Yeah, but you have to use your mouth.
I actually don't like to talk to the AIs. I don't. I'm not an AI talker. I'm more of a AI typer. But
okay.
I don't know if that's just the way I was raised or. No, the other thing I was going to say was around what's your viewpoint on the folks who are building like foundational models of the brain and using, implanted neural recordings in order to get like there are folks I've we were talking about me and the landscape and the way I view things and stuff like that. Like I see three things evolving right now. I see the using neural data and neural recordings to create a foundational model of the brain and then do something about the brain with that information, whether that's mental health or motor or speech or whatever. No, let me finish. And then there's the middle path where it's like we need this neural data in order to make to get to the AGI path. And then there's just like we're actually just doing this to get rid of humans. Do you know what I mean? We're going to upload you and sorry, meat bag, you're done, And so I've seen all of those versions and I'm curious what your perspective is on the nearest term use for, implanted neural data in that context. And then. So
in terms of like the why and the edge between therapies and kind of consumer, I actually think the best articulated view on this came from Jacob Robinson, another one of your portfolio CEOs.
They're all so famous.
And he said, look, I want to build products for patients right now that are so good that healthy people want to get them. And I actually thought that was a really good way of saying it. And I think that completely applies to us as well. We want to build one day a visual prosthetic for someone that's so good that it has so little downside and it has such amazing capabilities that a sighted person would be happy to get it and run apps on top of it.